As you can see, guys, I got that build. See, I got Kabucha, Lysenso, Rocket, and Dragon Talent. By the way, this is VT Cypher, so just to make that clear. But hold on, let's roll a gotcha. We gonna see how things gonna go for today. And if I roll a sound, I think bounty hunting gonna go very well. Oh, that was that. I think Lil Bo AFK. Cooked by this chop, dude. Oh, shoot. I'm so used to God Team when it's not fair. Am I lagging mid-fight? Wise bro being elderberry. I thought that would work. I thought that would low-key work. I think I might. Oh, I still got the sound. Oh, shoot, I got the sound. Let me store this. But chat, I'm not. Bruh. Chat, this build don't, bro. Whoever suggested that this build, bro, Blood was playing on my downfall. This doesn't work, bro. Like, this does not work. Nah, I'm not even gonna beat them. I'm a low-key just steal those kills. Yo, how? Bruh. He didn't even have the thing. This build is chopped. Oh, like, this build is so bad. Oh shoot. He got angel before. Bro, what the hell was that? This game sucks. I think I already died 3 to 4 times. Like, this build is not it. Please let me get it. Start kill. But at what cost? How did I die? What did I... Yeah, you spam is crazy. Bro got the most brain dead, dude. Like, bruh. I'm gonna low-key try to fight him. I should do Cyborg. Who is this guy, bro? Like, bro, this build is cooked. And I'm lagging, like, bro. Man, talking about the chat they trading. This guy doesn't want to PvP, so he got rocket. Is he tweaking out? See, there's casually a flame fruit on the ground. Bro, this server sucks. Let's go, I got to finish him. Rat. You little rat, bro. Like, bro, this dude suck. Like, what? Like, bro, look at my building. You trying to steal my kill, bro. Like, how you gon' like, this shop building, you trying to steal my kill. Like, bro, it's so trash. Chat is so cooked, man. It's toxic. Man, this server is so toxic. Ain't no one in this server on the box, bro. Dang, that man saying with dragon spam, bro, is nothing. Bro, was dragon spam for bounty crazy, bruh. Couldn't be me. Alright, I'm back, son. I'm back. Now I'm gonna go kill that dude over there. I know killing low levels is crazy, but hey, whatever it is to get off this field, bro. Bro, he just teleported. Nah, that crazy. Bro's PvP is off. Can't do nothing about that. Cannot do nothing about that. Can't find nobody in this server. Bro, we're trying to find someone in the box. I don't think I want to fight him. Oh, too low level. Boy, ain't no high player levels, bruh. I think I'm gonna go kill the Buddha. I'm gonna kill the Buddha. If I lose that'd be crazy. Wait, that man all the way at Sea Trees. Nah, I'm good. I'm not going. Alright, guys, I think I got me a fight. I think I got me a little fight. How did he hit that? Twin, why am I lagging, bro? What did I die to? Wow. Like, bro, where's my hell, bro? Why is this little trying to fight, bro? What? Nah, I'm both positive, boy. Yeah, hold on. Ain't no way, please. I need this kill, bruh. Let's go. Wait, how much bounty? Nah, that was a 5.3 mil too. Now that man immediately left once he died. I needed that kill, bro. So bad. Alright, by the way, I am not doing the dragon, bro. Just because this challenge alone was so hard for me, I am not. This might be done. Oh no, he also has Dragon Talent. No, he has Dragon Talent. Yo, how's he invisible? Yo, I killed him. I killed him. I don't know if that's 5 kills or not, but just in case it's not, I'm gonna kill one more person. Oh, why am I lagging so bad for no reason? The delay on that is crazy. Nonsense X portal. Hey, I don't care, bruh. He gotta go. You know what? I ain't even gonna waste my time on. He can just fly around. And my whole build has like no mobility. Oh shoot. Bro, please just die, like, bro. What is good with all that running, bro? Like, bro. Bro, I had the most brain dead dude. Oh, no. Oh, this guy. V4. Please. Please. Like, bro, why is this guy running, bruh? How did that not kill him? The fact he ran like that, bro. Like, bro, God, ain't no way he's real, bro. Like, bro. The fact he ran from someone with his shot build. I really hope that Doyus was trying to fight. I think I could kill him. gonna kill this person named Rumble. Well, never mind. Dude, when it say something. Can this light user please box? Like, bro, can you please come fight and end my suffering? I guess not. Nah, that's crazy, bruh. That man's gone. I'ma just kill that low level, bruh. Like, nah, I'm just gonna. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I gotta do this, but nah, bruh, I can't take it. I just gonna kill that low level dude, bruh. By the way, I call like people that's not max level low level for some reason. I guess it's just a habit. So I'm gonna go kill him. I feel sorry for bro, cause bro about to get packed up. Ain't no his PvR. Yeah. And I'm lagging too. Like, what? Is this the server? Or like, is it just me? Oh no, he got Dragon Talent. He got Dragon Talent. Yes, beautiful pirate, help me out. Yes. I appreciate it so much, beautiful pirate. Like, bro. Bro has no idea how bad I need this. Yo, how? Just how? See, like, how is that possible? Bro, ain't no way they can, like, bro, what? Please help me, I can go and do this. No, I can't. Nah, y'all gonna watch me come back. I'm gonna kill that Buddha. Like, no way. I'm gone, bro. I'm killing that Buddha. I'm getting off this challenge, bro. This challenge sucked. I thought it was fun. Like, what is this lag? I'm lagging for no reason. Nah, he's running. Nah. Yo, come here. Don't want to kill you. No one to kill you. Oh my gosh, bro. That took so long. The fact that took so long, bruh. I'm not doing the dragon build, bruh. That's how long it took for me to finish this video. I'm not doing the dragon build, bruh. I'm going. I'm leaving without that, bruh. Peace. Blissful Snowy out, bruh. I'm done. I'm actually